Hello students. Now our new topic is types of straight line. How many lines are there? We already explained line, segment, ray, and now how many types of straight line. So first is horizontal line. What is horizontal line? A line which runs from left to right, like this, left to right. This is called horizontal line. Okay, what? Which runs from left to right across the page. If any page, any line is extending in from left to right, this is called horizontal line. And now what is vertical line? A line which runs from top to bottom in any page. Okay, like this, top to bottom. This line is called vertical line and this line is called horizontal line, and this is the representation of both lines. Now slanting and oblique line. If the horizontal line don't go straight, are called slanting lines. Okay, that means there is any horizontal line and that is not straight, that is slant. Okay, tilt, that is called slanting. They look like slope, as we are seeing here, slope is showing. Okay, they go both up and down and across too, up and down and across also. Okay, so these lines are the slanting, that means tilt at an angle, not straight. This is called slanting. Now intersecting line, the lines that cross each other at a point, like this, this line and this line crossing each other at a point, this point. So this point is called point of intersection, intersecting point. That means at any point if two lines are crossing each other, so those lines are called intersecting line. Now parallel lines, lines that never cross each other even if they are extend endlessly, like those two lines. We can increase both lines in any direction, but not at any point they will cross each other. So these are called parallel lines, like railway track. Okay, this and this line will never cross each other even we extend those lines endlessly. So these lines are parallel lines. Now look at some open and closed figure. I have already explained you about shape. Now about open and closed figure. If any shape is closed, there is no space to come out or come in. Okay, so those shapes are called closed figure. And if any shape is not closed, that means that is not closed at any point, this is called open figure. As we are seeing here, all sides are not connected, this and this should be connected with this, but it is not connecting, so this is open. This is also open because shape is not completed. This is also open and this is also open. So these all are open and these all are closed figure. So how we can define closed and open figure? Closed figure means if any figure starts at a point and at the same position it is end. This is called closed figure. That means it is starting from here and ending also at this point. So this is closed figure. And what is open figure? If a figure starts at one position and at another position, that means it is starting from here and ending at here, so this is open figure. That means opening and closing point is not same, so this is open figure. In closed figure, starting and ending point at the same place, so this is closed figure. Now next topic is polygons. What are polygons? polygons are closed figure. Okay, I have already explained you about closed and open figure. So polygons are the closed figure made up only straight line. That means there will not be any curved line. Polygons are made of straight line. As we are seeing, there are 4 straight line, there are 3 straight line, and these are closed. So these shape are called polygons. And in polygons should have at least 3 lines so that this can be closed. These figure have 3 or more sides. Okay, that means here should be 3 or more than 3 sides. Thus we can create a polygons. With 2 or 1 line we can't create polygons, because in polygons we have already explained that polygon is a closed figure. By 2 lines we can't make any polygon. Now types of polygon. There are 2 types of polygon: regular polygon, irregular polygon. So what is regular polygon? Polygons that have all their sides equal are called regular polygons. That means in any shape, in any polygon, if all sides are equal in size, this is called regular polygon. And now what is irregular polygon? Polygons that have unequal sides. If there are 3 sides or 4 sides, and that those are not same, so that is called irregular polygons. Like here, this is regular polygon because all 3 sides are equal, 1 2 3, and all sides are equal, so this is regular polygon. And what is irregular polygon? This is irregular polygon because this line, and this line is different. It is not compulsory that all lines should be different, but at least 2 lines should be different for irregular polygon. So this is irregular polygon. Thank you.